Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the future of European airpower with one of the most ambitious and technologically advanced defense projects in the world, the FCAS fighter jet. The Future Combat Air System, or FCAS, is not just a single aircraft, but a full ecosystem of manned and unmanned aerial platforms, all interconnected through advanced digital systems, artificial intelligence, and next-generation stealth technologies. Developed collaboratively by France, Germany, and Spain, the FCAS program represents Europe's response to future threats in the air domain, aiming to replace current 4.5 generation jets like the Rafale and Eurofighter Typhoon by the mid-2040s. The centerpiece of FCAS is the new generation fighter NGF, a sixth-generation stealth fighter aircraft that will operate at the heart of a larger system of systems approach. Designed with cutting-edge stealth features, supercruise capability, and advanced avionics, the NGF is being engineered to be one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world. Unlike traditional fighter jets, the NGF is being developed from the ground up to work seamlessly with remote carriers, a family of unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) that will act as force multipliers in combat scenarios. These remote carriers could be used for reconnaissance, electronic warfare, decoy missions, or even precision strikes, all controlled from either the NGF or a centralized command unit using secure AI-enhanced networks. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the FCAS program is its focus on connectivity and data fusion. The entire system will be linked through the Air Combat Cloud, a secure digital environment that allows real-time sharing of sensor data, targeting information, and tactical commands between aircraft, drones, ground stations, and even satellites. This means FCAS won't just be about building a better jet, it's about transforming the way air forces operate by leveraging the power of data and connectivity. FCAS will incorporate artificial intelligence in both manned and unmanned systems to assist pilots in making faster and more accurate decisions in the heat of battle. For example, the pilot of the NGF may be supported by AI-driven decision aids that analyze threats, recommend actions, and manage electronic warfare systems automatically, while the human remains in control of mission-critical choices. This human-machine teaming is central to FCAS, and it aims to ensure that European forces retain decision-making superiority even in the most contested and fast-moving environments. In terms of design, the NGF will be a twin-engine stealth fighter, expected to have a delta-wing configuration with canards, similar in appearance to the Dassault Rafale but far more advanced in materials and performance. It will use radar-absorbent materials and have internal weapons bays to reduce its radar signature. The jet will also feature advanced infrared signature suppression and possibly laser communication systems for low-probability intercept data transfer. It is being developed by Dassault Aviation, France, as the lead contractor for the NGF, with Airbus, Germany, taking a leading role in systems integration and avionics. The engine is another crucial component. Safran, France, and MTU Aero Engines, Germany, are jointly working on a new generation adaptive cycle engine that will provide greater thrust, range, and efficiency. This next-gen engine is being designed to support supercruise, sustained supersonic flight without the use of afterburners, and allow for greater operational flexibility across missions and altitudes. Another revolutionary component of FCAS is the remote carrier concept. These UAVs will be modular, with varying sizes and capabilities, and will be launched from ground bases, ships, or even from the NGF itself. They can scout enemy air defenses, jam enemy radar, deliver precision strikes, or simply swarm enemy positions to overwhelm defenses. The use of these remote carriers adds a new layer of complexity and unpredictability for adversaries, making it much harder to defend against FCAS-enabled operations. The Air Combat Cloud, meanwhile, is being developed by Airbus and other partners, and it will serve as the brain of the FCAS ecosystem. This cloud will link all components, NGFs, remote carriers, legacy aircraft, satellites, ground command, to provide a shared operational picture and enable cooperative engagement. It's designed to withstand cyber threats and electronic attacks, ensuring secure and resilient communication and command networks even in highly contested environments. FCAS also focuses heavily on interoperability. It is being designed not just for the three partner nations but also with NATO integration in mind, which means it must work seamlessly with other allied assets including American-made jets like the F-35, missile systems, and command networks. It is expected that other European countries may join the program in the future, further strengthening its reach and capabilities. The timeline for FCAS is ambitious. The goal is to have a flying demonstrator of the new generation fighter by around 2027, with full operational capability targeted for 2040 to 2045. This timeline aligns with the expected retirement of the current generation of European fighters. However, defense analysts say FCAS could become operational in stages, with components like remote carriers and the air combat cloud potentially deployed earlier. It's important to understand that FCAS is not just a response to military needs but also a political and industrial statement. It's about ensuring European sovereignty in defense technologies at a time when reliance on non-European suppliers, particularly the United States, is a growing concern. By pooling their resources and expertise, France, Germany, and Spain aim to create a defense ecosystem that can compete with the likes of the US. NGAD Next Generation Air Dominance and Britain's Tempest program. In terms of cost, FCAS is expected to be one of the most expensive defense programs in Europe's history, with early estimates already in the hundreds of billions of euros. The cost will be spread across several decades, and the economic return is expected to be significant in terms of technological advancement, defense exports, and job creation across the defense industry. Ultimately, FCAS represents a new vision for aerial warfare, one that combines stealth, speed, agility, and above all, intelligence. It's a bold step into the future, blending manned and unmanned capabilities in a way that's never been done before in Europe. For aviation enthusiasts and defense watchers, FCAS is a program worth keeping a close eye on, because it's shaping up to be a game changer in the skies of tomorrow. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in military aviation. See you in the next video.